But today we have been driven away from there. Today we are not living there. We have to go and live in the jungle, and the land and houses we are building in the jungle are also in danger. So, your children's security, your children's future is in danger. So, that is why today we will have to fight till the end. Today the Maharaja himself has stood up and said that to save Tiprasa, we will have to make greater Triparaland. But the government, when we became a unitary state, the central government, under the leadership of Amit Shah ji, Narendra Modi, promised us that within 6 months, Amit Shah ji himself came to this Dharmanagar or Kumargat under the Tripura High Court and said this. There's a video record of it. I don't remember where he said this, in Dharmanagar or Kumargat. He said this in Kumargat. This is what Amit Shah ji had promised at Kumargat, that this Tiprasa will be built in 6 months. And this promise of Tiprasa is being made to Tiprasa. Year after year, and elections keep coming and promises are made to us in every election, but no session is being held for Tiprasa. And today it has been 6 months, except 6 months it has been 18 months, still no session has been held for Tiprasa. Their eyes and ears have closed. The central government is not seeing the crying, tears, problems of Tiprasa. Those people have turned a blind eye. They have turned a blind eye to Tiprasa. They do not see the pain and suffering of Tiprasa. The vote bank understands us. It is a small vote bank. They think that they will say something after coming to the elections. Their ears have closed. They have turned a blind eye to the voice we are raising. That is why we are holding this rally today, to raise our voice and our pain and suffering, their pictures, their videos, in front of your eyes and in your ears, so that you can hear our voice and to make you listen to it, to awaken you. And do not think that if the central government is the problem of Tripura, then it is not the problem of India. If you people think so, then it is a mistake. Tripura is the biggest production and corridor gateway of the illegal migrant Bangladeshi production. And it is through Tripura that Bangladeshis are reaching every corner of India. And Tripura is going to sink today. No one is coming forward to save Tripura, but if Tripura sinks, then the entire northeast will also sink one day. The entire Assam will also sink, Mizoram will also sink, Arunachal, Meghalaya all will sink one day. If Tripura is not saved and the northeast sinks, then the entire India will sink. You can go to Delhi and see Mumbai and see how many illegal Bangladeshi migrants are there. An illegal migrant entered Sahib Ali Khan's house, a superstar of India, and tried to kill him with a knife. And today, if you people give them a free hand for the sake of politics, then any terrorist can come and become a security threat to India at any time. Giving them freedom to destroy India, to incite riots, to do anything in India means giving them a chance to destroy India. So that is why we have to save Tripura today. We have to save Hindustan and we have to save Northeast. That is why today, to wake you up, to make you listen to this, to make the central government listen to this, I am doing this historical rally of 2,500 kilometers. And you people should not think that if Mahatma Gandhi donated 250 miles by following Mahatma Gandhi, I am not Gandhi. Maharaja is a good man, but not all of us in Tripura are that good. If our rights, if our future is in danger, then if we can become Gandhi, then we can also become Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. We can also become Netaji Subhash or Bhagat Singh. We are not going to stop the next day. Today, after a day or two, I will cross Charai Bari. Not everyone will go to Delhi. Only a few people will go to Delhi, but after I reach Delhi, if your ears are still flowing, your eyes are still closed. So, to wake up your eyes and your sleeping ones, to make your deaf ears listen, before we send a deputation to you, I will definitely sit in a dharna in Delhi, and I appeal to as many people from Tripura as possible to join that dharna, and everyone who cannot go to Delhi, cannot go on foot, but you people should propagate in every village that this time we will fight till the end. If the session does not happen this time, then finally one day we will have to take direct action. We will have to go into direct fight, and the day we go into direct fight, we are going to be finished. If we are going to be finished, then it will be better for us to be finished in a second. It will be better for us to die directly than to die slowly. It will be better to die fighting. If we want to save our future, then one day if this solution is not found, then we will have to do a direct action movement one day, and the day the direct action movement takes place in Tripura, the central government will have to take full responsibility for it. The central government will have to take responsibility for it. And I want to appeal that the march that I am doing today, this historical march of 25,000 kilometers, I do not know if anyone has done such a big march in Tripura. But I am doing this march totally non-politically, as a Tiprasa. And the march that I am doing as a Tiprasa, in this, I have the support of every Tiprasa, and we have felt the emotions of every Tiprasa on the way. And I appeal, Maharaja is with me. Today Animesh sir has come, Jagdish sir has come, MDC Dhirendra Devarma has come, and 1 or 2 MDCs are also coming. So I want to appeal that we will fight as Tiprasa, and only then will we get freedom, and only then will our demands get resolved. When Telangana was formed, there was no BJP, no Congress, no CPM. Congress, BJP, CPM, all the people of Telangana, TRS, regional parties, all raised their voice together for Telangana. And today I appeal to you people. The society also came today, in Kshatriya society. I feel that every person of the society will support me in this issue, will support Tiprasa, we'll be together. So, if Jitan Chaudhary, who is of CPM, Radha Sharan Dev Verma, who is of CPM, Vikas Dev Verma, Rampad Jamasha, who is of BJP, I also want to appeal to them. Don't look at the party, first look at your caste. You belong to a party, BJP or CPM, but you have to remain an illegal migrant. You are not a leader under the leaders. In that, you have to listen to them and then talk against them. One day you should talk for Rampad Jamasha ji, one day you should talk for Rana Sharan, Jitan Chaudhary ji, one day you should talk for Tiprasa. If you do not talk for Tiprasa, then the money you earn by going against Tiprasa and talking about it, the house you built for your child in Agartala will not be there the next day. The day you leave this world, after that your children, your descendants will not be able to rule in it. One day everything will be snatched away. You people should remember this. That is why I appeal to everyone. Do not look at any party in this. You should also come to BJP, CPM, Congress. When there will be a Dharna in Delhi, Jitendra Chaudhary should also come, Rampad Jamasha should also come. Only then, only when we will be able to fight together, only then we will get Greater Tripura. We will be able to implement this Tripara. And when Greater Tripura unites, then I will propose Greater Tripura to make Ramji the Chief Minister. Jitendra Chaudhary, you become the Chief Minister of Greater Tripura. But first, do not work under them. Have the courage to take your own decision. This is what I appeal to you, and I do not want to talk more. Whatever message I wanted to convey, I have given this message to the central government. Our Hindi is not good, still we consider ourselves Indians. Even now we are standing with the flag of India. But standing with the flag of India, it means that the more you want to crush us, the more you will keep crushing us. This will not work. When we believe in Gandhiji as Indians with the flag of India, then one day we, as Indians, will start a direct action movement like Bhagat Singh or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose with the flag of India. Thank you, Tiprasa sir.